4.5 years ago, Baroness Sheila Hollins came to us at City Lit. We've had a long and distinguished partnership, and she said, I've got this idea. There's going to be a mental wealth festival, and it's this and it's that, and I just said, yeah, let's do it.
Mental wealth is essential to all of us. Feeling happy at work, feeling like you're thriving in your workplace is the secret to a good and continued career, and I think for me and for Bupa that's essential that we're to be here today.
I think in terms of people seeing leaders as slightly more vulnerable, that has changed recently. We've had some very high profile figures in the city who have said, I'm taking a few months off because of stress.
I'd like to welcome you to the National Gallery. Over 2 days every year, we expound about all aspects of mental wealth. Some of the more challenging stuff, some of the more joyous stuff.
Telling people it's a good thing to do, to explore and to seek help and to build your mental wealth is what matters. Sometimes people think there's some shame in asking for help. There isn't.
What Mark Twain said is that the two most important days in our life is the day we were born and the day we find out why. And the day we find out why. Let's not underestimate